welcome to another Vlogmas video. As y'all can see, I'm looking busted and dusted once again. Excuse my neighbor, he has a lot of loud cars, so if you hear that, I apologize, but it's a snow day, so I'm staying indoors. People, you know, out and about, clean the snow. I'm trying to let the snow melt off. I'm not really trying to clean the snow, but yeah, I'm staying indoors. I plan on cleaning not even clean my room. I plan on like folding laundry and cleaning downstairs so I film my videos, y'all. I need to take care of that. So I need to do laundry, clean down there, maybe move stuff around in my room, and y'all, we still have not put up our Christmas tree. So hopefully we get to that today. If not, we'll do that tomorrow, which you guys will see in the next Vlogmas video. And I'm breaking out, y'all. I gotta go. We gotta set the vibe. This gonna stay on, and then we'll get to tackling this. I don't know if you guys peeped, but the channel name did change. So I gotta go in with these things and change the name. Hopefully, sorry for all that noise. Like, dang, why is it so loud? Anyway, hopefully the whole entire name fits, and hopefully I have enough letters, y'all. So y'all about to see me get to working on that. Sorry, I'm doing laundry right now, but what do we think? I think it looks good. See, it's this the white stuff in here. I don't know how to get rid of them, but I think it fit well. I'm not sure about the according. I feel like the spacing's kind of off, but I feel like it will do. We're gonna put it over there to see how it looks. What do we think, you guys? Excuse all that noise. It is very loud down here because the heat is on, but the heat is very necessary. I think it looks really good. I think I'm gonna put the trees side by side like that, because in my last sit down video it was like this and it was like blocking it off, so that didn't do much for me. I could just have one and put the other one on the other side. How do we feel, you guys? I think this is cute. We are making progress. Putting up the lettering is actually like very difficult, especially with my nails. So yeah, but now I'm going to continue to arrange the drawers. So you guys, I'm about to cook some tacos. I have all my ingredients set out here. If you're keeping up with Vlogmas, you guys saw that I recently went to Shoppers to prepare for the snow. I decided to get ingredients to make tacos, so these are all my ingredients. I'm trying out the taco season mix packet. I've never tried it before. I have cheese, tortillas, ground beef, sour cream, salsa, and then I do have lettuce. So let's get to it. So you guys, first I'm gonna take the ground beef and take it out. Like I told you guys in that vlog, I got the one with less fat because, you know, your girl wants to be healthy slightly, okay? Not too crazy. So I'm gonna take this out and then put some oil in the pan and get this ground beef cooking. Let me come back on here real quick and say this is not a cooking tutorial, beauties. This is just simply me cooking and y'all vibing with me. So I didn't record much of the process, but this right here, if you want your tacos to be extra spicy, just put a little bit on here. A little goes a long way. It's really, really spicy, but it's really good. I got put onto it in Cancun and then again in Puerto Rico, so it's really good if you like spicy. So over time, this has all gotten all messed up. Like, I don't even know what's in here. Are those colored pencils? Like, what is the purpose of this drawer? I feel like it's just random stuff. Yeah, it's gotta be. So I'm gonna organize this. You know, I just really don't want to do this. I'ma stay focused. I gotta do it. I'm about to do it, y'all. Not the point of the video, but do you guys keep your old iPhone boxes? This is my iPhone 8, and I have headphones in here. Probably never gonna use those, but yeah. I have my iPhone 10 phone box in here too. Let's see what's in here. A charger. Yeah, and headphones. Wow, I love myself. Do I need this? This is my external hard drive. Probably don't need that. AirPods box. Yeah, I just be keeping all these boxes. Apple Pencil boxes. I'm still gonna keep them though. I'm just gonna, you know, make it cute. So y'all, as I'm cleaning up, I keep forgetting to record today for some reason, but I found a whole bunch of random Amazon packages. I'll show you the rest later. But I found a milk frother, and there was this point in my life where TikTok was making me buy like crazy things from Amazon, and clearly it's still in the box and it's downstairs. There's no kitchen down here, so I'm not using it. I bought it for no reason. Shout out to TikTok, but I gotta take it upstairs because it's not serving me any purpose down here. So yeah, speaking of other things that TikTok made me buy, I'll do a whole video on it, but here's a little sneak peek. You already know that video should be coming out soon. This was supposed to be for my diploma, but it doesn't fit, so maybe I should just like blow up a picture of me and put it somewhere in this house, because I'm not returning that. I hate online returns. Y'all remember these? I still have both of them. I have this, and no, I'm not pregnant. Ooh, yeah. No, I'm not pregnant. No, none of my friends are pregnant. But I bought it. I was like, it's really cute and I cannot pass it up. And who knows, I might have a baby in the next couple of years. You know what I'm saying? I say all that to say that all that is contributing to this stuff being messy right here. So I'm going to figure out a place for that, and I'll come back to y'all later. Y'all can't see my face. I just realized. All those Amazon things that I bought, which I'll be showing you in another video, I just put them in the gift bag that I used for my intro, and I just put it right by here because it just laying scattered here was not doing anyone any justice, so I put it here.